Hello friends, welcome to welcome to our channel. So today we are studying on chapter 7th of geography, our country India. So we can start. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. Name the major physical divisions of India. Answer is the major physical divisions of India are the Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains form a series of three mountain ranges such as Karakoram, Ladakh and the Himalayas. Of these three, the Himalayas are the prominent one. Second point is the Northern Plains. The northern plains lie south of the Himalayan foothill and are the extremely fertile due to the deposits laid down by the river, the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Third point is the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert is located to the west of the northern plains. It is dry, hot and sandy with sand dunes. Since it receives very little rainfall, it has very little or no vegetation. Fourth point is the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau lies to south of the northern plains. It is made up of two parts. The Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. This is a region with numerous hill ranges and the valley. The plateau is rich in the mineral like coal and iron ore. Fifth point is the coastal plains. The both of the east and the west of the Peninsular Plateau are the coastal plains. The western coastal plains are very narrow and the eastern coastal plains are much broader. And the sixth point is the islands. So question number B. Question number B is India shares its land boundaries with 7 countries. Name them. So answer is the countries with which India shares its land boundaries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. C number question is which two major rivers fall into the Arabian Sea? Answer is the two major rivers that fall into the Arabian Sea are Narmada and Tapi. D number question is name the delta formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra. Answer is the Sundarban delta is formed by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. E question is how many states or union territories are there in India? Which states have a common capital? Answer is there are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Punjab, Haryana are the states that have a common capital, Chandigarh. F question is why do a large number of people live in the northern plains? Answer is the northern India plains have been formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These river plains provide fertile land for cultivation and produces most of our country's food grain. This is why a large number of people live in the northern plains. G question is why is Lakshadweep known as a coral island? Answer is Lakshadweep Island are smaller group of islands in the Arabian Sea. Many of these islands are formed by coral polyps. Coral are skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps. When they die, their Their skeletal remains accumulate on the seabed, which grow higher and higher to form a coral islands. Hence, Lakshadweep Island are known as the coral islands. Question number 2. Take the correct answer. A. The southernmost Himalayas are known as, options are Shivaliks, Himadri and Himachal. Answer is Shivaliks. B. Sahyadri is also known as, answer, options are given Arauli, Western Ghats and Himadri. Answer is Western Ghats. C. The Palk Strait lies between the countries. Options are Sri Lanka and Maldives. India and Sri Lanka. India and Maldives. Answer is India and Sri Lanka. Question D. The Indian islands is the Arabian Sea are known as, options are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Island and Maldives. Answer is Aravalli Hills. Lakshadweep Islands. E number. The oldest mountain range in the India is, options are Aravalli Hills, Western Ghats and Himalayas. Answer is Aravalli Hills. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. Answer is 3.28 million square kilometers. B. The Greater Himalayas are known as, answer is Himadri. C. The largest states in the India is term of area is, answer is Rajasthan. The river Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea. Answer is Arabian. E. The latitude that runs almost halfway through India is the Tropic of the Cancer. Answer is the Tropic of the Cancer. Thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like to this channel.